District is been named Krishna due to the divine river Krishna passing through it. River enters the district at the north and continues its journey along the western boundaries downward, draining its water in Bay of Bengal. Krishna has a very dense network of tributaries. Munieru is one of the chief tributary of the Krishna, which covers the Jagyapeta and the Nandigrama, the upper western talukas of the district. The upper western parts or the northern western part of the district has a consolidated rock formation. Means the rock in this region is of hard and compact type with a terrain which is more or less uniform. In post-monsoon, water is available 3 to 5 meter below ground level during the dry months, which drops down to 15 to 20 meter below ground level. All the extreme ground conditions encourage the thorn scrub forest in this region. Thorn scrub forest has a plant community similar to the deciduous vegetation. Comparatively has more spiny and thorny plant species. When correlated to the scrubs of the lower western parts of the India like Karnataka and Maharashtra, tree community is more or less at variance. Plants thriving upon the landscape are well adapted to the intense heat, strong winds and requires a very little water in dry spell. Here everything looks similar. For any person, unless he knows the plant species very well, it would be very difficult for him to segregate the trees and the shrubs from the existing plant community. At places where the rocky outcrop were dominant with a scanty soil, tree growth was found to be stunted, having leaves have reduced and deformed. Internodes were either highly reduced or almost absent at places. Some people might have came across to the term rocky outcrop for the first time. Rocky outcrops are actually the portion of the underlying rock bed protruding out of the ground surface. It has been observed that though the vegetative part appear different, the nature of thorns and spine doesn't change much, which could serve as the identification tool for the plant species.